This video covers how to make a discussion post on class pages. First, make sure you're on your science page. If you are not on your science page, just click up at the top and select whichever block says your science class. Then it will bring you to your page. This post is for the discussion post from the week of September 14th through September 18th. But the same procedure applies no matter when you are trying to post. On our class page, we have a column separated out for Group A students as well as Group B students. So depending on which group you are in, the discussion post is going to be in a different spot. For Group A this week, the discussion post is something we're doing on an in-person day, so you actually won't even need the video instructions because I'll be explaining it to you. So if you're watching this video and you're in Group A, we're either going to do this in class or we already have, so you probably are familiar with this. For Group B, this is the first time that you are going to be doing this, and it's on a remote day. So you'll go to your Group B column and scroll down until you see the discussion post block there. And it says see video instructions above. I'm actually recording the video right now, but it will be posted probably right here above the observations video. Anyway, in this block it says write a 3 to 5 sentence response that answers the question below. The question is, are there any undiscovered animals? So without researching anything or talking to anyone, I want you to think about that question. Are there any undiscovered animals? That could be animals in the jungle, in the desert, in the ocean. That includes insects and birds, anything that is an animal on Earth. Is it possible that there are undiscovered animals? After you make your response, then I would also like you to respond to at least 2 posts made by another student. I tried this activity with students in IJ block a previous time, so there are posts on there that you will be able to respond to. However, you will not see any responses until you make your response. So when you're ready to answer that question, you'll click View Discussion, and then you can click New Post. Here in the subject line, you can put your subject, so my subject, or your title, whatever you want your title to be. And then in the large text box, this is just like typing out an email. You can just type your answer here. When you are all set, don't forget you have to have 3 to 5 sentences, but when you're all set, you can scroll down and click Post. So then your post will be added to the discussion. This is for section AB. On my screen, since I'm a teacher, I also see section CD and section IJ. I don't know if you'll see those sections or not, but I know that people have posted in section IJ because we did this activity in class last week, and I can see everybody's post on here. You won't be able to see any posts until you make your own. So if I wanted to look at Emma's and post a reply to her, I could just click on here and type out my message for her to read. Okay. And then if I click on Use Rich Text Editor, I can go in and I can make that bold, or I can change the font. Don't get too crazy with the font and everything. We want to focus on the content. So try to make your response as if you were trying to have a conversation with whoever made the original message. After you type out your whole message, you can hit Submit Reply, and you'll notice that this says Edit this post, 30 minutes remaining. If you make a post and you want to go back and fix something, or you notice the spelling error, or even if you just want to add something, you can edit this post and it will bring you back to that original editing screen. Once you're all done responding to at least 2 other people, you can just close out of the discussion post and then go about doing another part of your lesson.